We're going to Iceland! I'm so excited. Neither Dan or I have been to Iceland before and we're super excited to go. And I am gonna try and daily vlog it for you guys. I've never really done the daily vlogging whilst traveling thing before, but I'm gonna give it a go. Let's go to Iceland. And already Dan's had to run back inside because he forgot his phone, of all things. I'll make sure when he gets back that he's got his passport. You got everything, babe? Got your phone?
Yes.
Got your passport? So Dan told me that it's illegal to come to Bristol Airport and not have a pint before you fly off. So we're having a pint. Even though it's, what time is it?
20 past 5.
20 past 5 in the morning.
I see anything wrong with that, personally.
So we've just got through airport security, which was so long because Dan got picked out to be searched. So he had his entire bag checked, emptied and checked. So he took out every single pair of underwear, every single pair of socks, everything out of his bag, and then he had to repack it all afterwards, obviously. But you know, they're just doing their job, so we respect that. So yeah, now we've got a little while to hang out before our gate opens. Airport transfers aren't so bad when the weather is like this outside. It's so beautiful. We're in Reykjavik! We just arrived at our beautiful little Airbnb for the next couple of days. And it's really nice. Going with an Airbnb for this trip was definitely a good choice in terms of prices because if you don't know, Iceland is ridiculously expensive. It's cheap to get there from Europe, but then it's quite expensive on the ground, like food, alcohol, accommodation, it's all very costly. So one thing we did do that I didn't mention, but when we're at the airport in Bristol, once we'd gone through security, we actually went to the duty free and bought some alcohol there for us to drink at home here whilst we're in Iceland instead of going out to bars and stuff because it's just way too over our budget. But yeah, I'll show you around our little Airbnb. It's really cute. Here we go. So you walk in, oh, and I got my Gryffindor socks on because yay, Harry Potter. So you walk in and you come into the big main like living area. Hey Dan. So we've got this little living area here, kitchen area. Got our own fridge. We're probably gonna cook some of our own meals whilst we're here to save on money as well. We've got a nice little bathroom. It's actually quite a large bathroom. Like, check out the shower. The waterfall shower heads, they're the best. And then coming back out here, and then bedroom. I love this wallpaper, so I'm looking forward to staying here. It'll be so nice. Okay, so now that we've dropped our stuff off at the Airbnb and gotten comfortable, we are gonna go head to a local supermarket and pick up some groceries for the next couple of days and get some food for like right now because we're both pretty hungry. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've just stocked up for the next few days at Bonus. And so we've got food for like breakfast, lunches, and most nights, so that's good now, we're pretty set. But yeah, look at our cupboard now. Oh, Bonus had like so many awesome vegan things. So I've got like these tofurkey sausages, got veggie burgers, vegan cheese, that's real cheese, hummus that is labeled like vegan and everything, and a heap of like fruits and veg. And we just figured out, so that shop, it cost us 11,227 krona. Is that how you say it? Kron or krona? Icelandic currency, which converts to, I've just looked it up, about 81 pounds. But that is expected here. They have a higher living wage here in Iceland, so that means things are more expensive. Plus, you know, that was like a grocery shop for, you know, at least, you know, quite a few days being here. And on top of that, that is much cheaper than what it would be to go to a restaurant. Like one restaurant we were looking up to maybe go and visit would have cost us £80 for one meal for one person. So we've just spent that amount of money and gotten food for a couple of days, and that's meals, snacks, you know, everything. So it pays to do that, stay somewhere where you can make most of your food, and yeah, we are hoping that this is the way we are going to survive this trip. So we're just chilling at the Airbnb before we go out for the night, and I didn't tell you guys before, but we were really lucky, really random, but when we booked this months ago, this trip, we did not realise that the exact dates we were in town in Reykjavik lined up exactly with this Winter Lights Festival that happens in Reykjavik every year. And there's a whole lot of events that are happening surrounding that, including there's one night where a heap of the museums in the city are open for free at night, and another night when all the public pools are open for free at night. So it's just really lucky that we've happened upon it in such a way. Like, we didn't know this was happening, but we've ended up here nonetheless. Tonight is the opening ceremony of the Winter Lights Festival, so we're going to go head down to the waterfront later and watch the light show that marks the beginning. So that will be really cool. I'm really excited to watch that. But before we do, we've just been feeling like a bit, I don't know, tired, a bit sore, a bit stiff, essentially from the travel, but also both of us have had some really big days lately. Dan more so than me, because post knee surgery that he's had, long story, he's only just been able to get back to the gym and running. So he's really sore right now. And also, in keeping with my New Year's resolution to try and form a regular yoga practice, I haven't been doing so well with that in January. So today is the 1st of February, and I'm going to try and do yoga every day this month. So I'm just going to have a quick stretch before we head out. And yeah. Getting there.
Especially not in jeans.
Don't try. Don't try. You'll rip them.
I can't go any further in these jeans.
Oh, can I get up?
Okay, go do the other leg.
You must have wondered if you ever had
Yeah, half an hour.
Would you be able to look? I'll go behind you. There you go. It shows how much I have been stretching lately because I used to be so much
What if
closer.
I could push down?
No, don't.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
And we just realised it's snowing outside. So when we go down to the waterfront, it's going to be beautiful and snowing. Apparently it's meant to storm pretty bad tonight, but yeah, we'll be probably home before then, so it's fine. They've got an advisory out not to travel.
Often, yeah, like
Yeah,
after 9. So
after
everyone
9
will be like,
PM.
yeah, we're not doing anything. So
Yeah.
that's just fine.
We're just going to be here in the city and probably at home, so yeah. It's snowing. It's snowing. Okay, so we've walked down to the waterfront. We've got a spectacular view. This is what we're looking at. Like I said, there is a storm coming tonight, so it's all a bit foggy and snowy and cloudy, but that's the beauty of it. I think this is absolutely beautiful. And I just love seeing snow because it's a rare thing for me. I don't see snow very often in my life. And I love it, it makes me feel like a child. Taking photos by night. Although when we came here earlier in the day, this place was packed. We would not have been able to get a shot of it without anyone in it. So we're pretty lucky now. It's very cold. We made it to the light show. When we got here, there was like no one here. And we were like, is this really where it is? And we just walked for 2 kilometers in the snow, so we were like, this isn't where it is. That sucks. But now more and more people have shown up, so it's on. So we've just gotten back to our Airbnb after the opening ceremony of the Winter Lights Festival, which was really different. It wasn't what I was expecting. It was like a light show with music by Sigur Rós actually. And it was like, the theme of this one, it must have been like the human body or something like that. It was really artsy, and which is really cool. It just wasn't what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting. It's always really cool to see something different. So yeah, it was so cold though. The wind down there. It was down on the docks, which was a really interesting place to have it because it was so windy and therefore so cold down there. So I wasn't coping very well. But yeah, we've just got back to our Airbnb, looking forward to a hot shower. We're just cooking some food and then we'll probably just relax and then go to bed, have an early night because we're up at 3 AM today. It's been a long day. But yeah, looking forward to what tomorrow brings. And I'm going to sign off the vlog here because we're not really doing anything interesting for the rest of the night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm so excited for more adventures in Iceland. Okay, mwah.